I'm at Miller's, man, an amazing place. Hey, who's a good chef? And the man in the pan. Big shake, everybody! Welcome to the Man and the Pan. Today I'm gonna make something that's super exciting. I'm gonna make pork adobo. Okay, the first thing you gotta do is you gotta get either pork or chicken. About 3 to 4 pounds. So I got some belly pork over here. Cut them into pieces just like this. And also I have some shoulder pork roast. So yeah, all of these makes about 3 pounds. Okay? So then I'll cut them all inside small pieces. And what I'm gonna do before I do anything is I'm gonna brown it inside a pan. In fact, I should dump them in the pan already, okay? Slam them in the pan, just like that. You notice how I stroke my knife when I cut the pork? I'm gonna brown this, okay? I'm gonna show you how to make the sauce. First, you got about 3 or 4 cloves of garlic, tablespoon of salt. Hey, you know what? I got this kawaii salt from my friend Warren Haruki. Then about 2 tablespoons of patis. You add 1 cup of water. Then you add 1/2 cup of cider vinegar. Okay, just like this. Dump them here. Then you cut about 12 peppercorn. Yeah, the whole peppercorn. Then you put in 3 bay leaf. I like to have potatoes inside my pork adobo, so I microwave and fry the potatoes. And when the potato gets brown, I'll brown the meat. I'm gonna brown these, fry these, throw the sauce in, and cook it for about maybe 40 minutes or so. Then I'm gonna add in the potato. Get the pan. I'll brown it. You can either brown it first or brown it after. The burgers, they're all brown, ready to go. Okay. So now I add in my sauce. You remember that sauce I made? Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna cook them for a while until the thing comes soft. Filipino friend told me what you gotta put in is shiitake. It sounds like a good idea, especially coming from my Filipino friends. All right, dry up some shiitake, and I'm gonna slam them inside here. Okay. And I'm going to let them all cook together. Not all you guys get on top of these. You can put a frying pan over. Yeah, that's how I'm going to cook on aluminum for 45 minutes now. And I think it's, oh yeah, the thing looks good. Let me poke it. Yeah, it's soft enough. Now I'm going to throw in the potato. It's going to thicken in the sauce. And it's going to probably absorb a lot of the flavoring over here. So I just kind of let it sit for maybe about another 5 minutes. Oh, look at these here. Wow. Look at that. Pork adobo. The burger look good. Let me see how it tastes. Whew. Mm. Oh. Oh, it's such a good taste. I want to thank all the Filipinos for bringing this beautiful dish here. I want to say, Mahat ko kayong lahat. It means I love you all. Mabuhay, salamat,